Charlie X-ray, Mike Golf Papa, fly straight out, clear class Charlie, runway 9, clear for takeoff, traffic 1.5 mile final, no delay.
Clear for takeoff, no delay, runway 9, traffic Michael Papa.
Number 19, 3 Foxtrot, runway 9, clear, touch and go off the touch and go, fly straight out, wind 100 at 5, traffic departing Federal Rivals to Skyline.
And clear for landing, 1932 Foxtrot, runway 9.
Number 3 Foxtrot, did you want touch and go, or are you going to do a full stop?
We could do touch and go, and if you can give us some short approaches, that would be appreciated.
Number 50 Foxtrot, runway 9, clear touch and go off the touch and go, fly straight out.
Clear for runway 9, then touch and go, and fly straight out, 33 Foxtrot.
Clear track 507, turn base, square returns, continue bound.
Turn base, clear track 507.
Tower, Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, Alpha 1, ready, runway 9er.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, clear tower rider. Number 75537, runway 9er, clear to land, wind 090 at 7.
Clear to land, runway 9537.
Charlie X-ray, Mike Golf Papa, traffic off your right wing as an Archer, westbound at 1000.
Roger, traffic 6.
Charlie X-ray, Mike Golf Papa, behind the traffic, turn 10 degrees right at faster departing traffic.
10 degrees to the right, traffic Michael Papa.
Charlie X-ray, Mike Golf Papa, contact my departure.
I approach 12605.
Number 33 Foxtrot, make right close traffic for faster departing traffic, extend now and tower call base.
Right close traffic, we'll extend the downwind, you'll call the base 33 Foxtrot.
Number 5537, turn right on Bravo, contact ground.
Right on Bravo, contact ground 537.
Sierra Echo Golf X-ray, fly heading 090, runway 9 out off 2, clear for immediate takeoff, traffic 2 mile final.
Okay, immediate takeoff, 9 Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, Papa Sierra Echo Golf X-ray, expedited.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, fly straight out, remain clear class Charlie, runway 9, clear for takeoff, wind 100 at 5.
Clear for takeoff, with runway 9 Bravo Hotel November.
Clear track 299, turn base, square turns, continue inbound.
Turn base, continue inbound, clear track 299.
Number 33 Foxtrot, make sure to approach runway 9er, clear touch and go, out the touch and go, fly straight out, wind 120 at 6.
Clear for short approach, runway 9er, fly straight out, 33 Foxtrot.
Speed alive.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, contact Miami departure.
Contact Miami departure, Bravo Hotel November. Miami departure, Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, 1000, squawk in 4733.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, Miami departure ident. Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, radar contact, maintain VFR at 2500.
VFR 2500, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, maintain VFR 2000.
2000, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray, Bravo Hotel November, the wind 140 at 05, caution surface is wet, clear to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November on time 24, expedite to make the left on Charlie for landing traffic.
Expediting for left and Charlie, Bravo Hotel November.
Clearance delivery, this is Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November, clearance delivery.
Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November, VFR flight plan to San Martin via Borinquen, Puerto Rico.
Roger, what's your requested level?
9,500 or flight level 0905.
Roger, stand by. Continue with approach frequency 126.0, good day.
That was for Bravo Hotel November.
Affirm, Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November, continue with approach frequency 126.0.
1260 Bravo Hotel November. Approach, this is Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November for approach. Good morning, go ahead.
Good morning, information Charlie, we are at Provo Air Center ready to taxi.
Taxi Foxtrot, hold short of runway 10, you are cleared, leave the control zone to the southeast, VFR climbing 95, QNH is 3000.
3000, we are clear to the southeast. Can we enter the runway in taxiway Echo?
You can hold short at Echo, I got someone on the runway departing now.
Holding short in taxiway Echo, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-ray Bravo Hotel November, backtrack runway 10.
Backtrack runway 10, Bravo Hotel November.
Bravo Hotel November, clear for takeoff right on course 110 at 13 knots.
Roger, clear for takeoff and right on course, Bravo Hotel November. Power, green arc, airspeed alive.
Hotel November, vía por su izquierda a Delta, la posición 11, sigue instrucciones de señalero, bienvenido.
Delta, posición 11, muchas gracias.
Ligüero, Torre, Charlie X-Ray, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-Ray, Bravo, Hotel November, Torre Ligüero.
En posición 5, listos para rodar, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-Ray, Bravo, Hotel November. ¿Le es posible agilizar para la salida? Tenemos un tránsito transitando pista contraria, está a unas 35 millas.
Afirmativo para Bravo Hotel November.
Recibido, está autorizado a rodar al mundo Espera Alfa, pista 19. Viento 170 grados, 10 nudos, con H2999.
2999, listo, autorizado a rodar a 19, por alto.
Charlie X-Ray, Bravo Hotel November, pista 19, autorizado a despegar, viento 170 grados, 8 nudos, en el aire, por la izquierda, evite áreas prohibidas, notifique pasando 2000 pies o 10 millas.
Autorizado a despegar, pista 19, por izquierda, evitamos zonas prohibidas y volvemos a 2000 pies, Bravo Hotel November.
Bravo Hotel November, contacto aproximación Américas 119 decimal 3, buen viaje.
1193, Charlie X-Ray, Bravo Hotel November, muchas gracias. Las Américas, buen día, Charlie X-Ray, Bravo Hotel November.
Charlie X-Ray, Bravo, November, fue contact. QNH 30 decimal 00.
3000 para el Charlie X-Ray, Bravo Hotel November.
Bravo Hotel November, evite las áreas prohibidas y procede en curso.
Evitamos prohibidas y procedemos en curso, Bravo Hotel November. Alphas, this is Charlie X-Ray Bravo Hotel November.
Bravo Hotel November, go ahead.
In platform with flight plan to Grenada, ready to taxi.
Roger, taxi Alpha, altimeter 2997, wind 060, 12 knots, temperature 30.
Alpha 2997, Bravo Hotel November. Holding short Alpha, ready for takeoff, Bravo Hotel November.
Bravo Hotel November, squawk 0133, report line up 12.
0133 and report dined up in 12, Bravo Hotel November. Ready for takeoff, Bravo Hotel November.
Wind 050 degrees, 15 knots, ready to the right turn.
Clear for takeoff, right turn, Bravo Hotel November.